Today, we reintroduce a legendary name in the world of pickup trucks, the 2026 Toyota Hilux. With a complete redesign, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology, this new Hilux proves that durability and innovation can go hand in hand. In this video, we'll explore what makes this version stronger, smarter, and more capable than ever before. The 2026 Hilux arrives with a bold and aggressive new look that blends rugged utility with modern styling. At the front, a redesigned grille with a honeycomb mesh pattern gives the truck a commanding presence. This is complemented by sleeker LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights for enhanced visibility and aesthetics. The redesigned bumper offers improved approach angles, making it easier to tackle off-road terrains. Depending on the trim level, you'll find 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels, flared fenders, and muscular body lines that emphasize its off-road potential. At the rear, the new LED taillights, reinforced tailgate, and stronger rear bumper complete a look that radiates strength and capability from every angle. Whether you're on the job site or in the wild, the Hilux looks ready for anything. Under the hood, the 2026 Hilux offers two proven turbodiesel engine options. 2.4L turbo diesel base model produces around 150 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque, making it ideal for daily driving, fuel efficiency, and light-duty work. 2.8L turbo diesel, higher trims, packs up to 201 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque, giving it the muscle for heavy-duty towing, off-road adventures, and long hauls. Both engines are mated to either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, and buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive or 4x4, part-time or full-time configurations. The suspension system has been refined to offer a smoother ride, improved handling, and enhanced comfort even on rough terrain. In higher trims like the GR Sport, differential locks, and off-road driving modes elevate its all-terrain capability. Towing capacity exceeds 3 tons, making it a true workhorse for professionals, adventurers, and utility seekers alike. Inside, the 2026 Hilux offers a premium and more refined driving environment. Toyota has upgraded the materials across the cabin, with soft-touch surfaces, metallic accents, and noise insulation improvements that provide a quieter, more sophisticated ride. At the center of the dash sits a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and featuring built-in navigation and voice control. The 7-inch digital driver display blends analog readability with modern information delivery. In upper trims, you'll find leather-trimmed seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, and power seat adjustments. The rear seating area is now more spacious, featuring USB-C ports, rear air vents, and enhanced seat padding perfect for longer trips with family or coworkers. The cabin strikes a perfect balance between being functional, connected, and comfortable, making the Hilux more than just a utility vehicle. Toyota takes safety seriously, and the 2026 Hilux is equipped with the latest generation of the Toyota Safety Sense suite, including pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor (BSM), rear cross-traffic alert (RCTA), 360-degree camera view system, available in higher trims, ADR active drive response management for improved traction control, full airbag suite, front, side, curtain, and driver knee airbags, reinforced safety cell for greater protection in rollover or crash situations. With these systems, the Hilux provides not only durability and off-road prowess, but also peace of mind in any driving condition. Prices will vary depending on market, trim level, and added packages, but here's a general overview. Base Workmate or DX model from $28,000. Mid-range SR5 model from $38,000. Top-tier GR Sport or ROG edition starting around $50,000 or more. Every version offers incredible value thanks to Toyota's legendary reliability, strong resale value, and generous warranty coverage. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is more than just a workhorse, it's a pickup that seamlessly blends toughness with modern features. With a redesigned exterior, upgraded performance, advanced safety systems, and a tech-savvy interior, it stays ahead of the competition while maintaining the legendary durability that made it famous. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Tell us in the comments, would you choose the new Hilux, or do you have another favorite pickup truck in mind? See you in the next video.